National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Johnson County in north-central Texas, northwestern Hill County in central Texas, northwestern Ellis County in north-central Texas, until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Pat Cleburne, or 7 miles south of Cleburne, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Grand Prairie, Mansfield, Cedar Hill, Waxahachie, Cleburne, Midlothian, Keene, Alvarado, Venus, Grandview, Maypeel, Bloom, Covington, Lake Pat Cleburne, Parker, Rio Vista, Coyote Flats, Senfled, Griffith and Foreston. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 9 and 31. Interstate 35E between mile markers 389 and 392. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Denton, southwestern Collin and northern Dallas counties. At 10:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Farmers Branch, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, emergency management. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Dallas, Plano, Garland, Irving, Carrollton, Frisco, Richardson, Louisville, Rowlett, Grapevine, Coppell, The Colony, Farmers Branch, University Park, Addison, Highland Park, Hebron, DFW Intel Airport, Dallas Love Field and White Rock Lake. Now let's check on your local